Even the United Nations is clapping for Ghana. Top 6 peacekeepers in the world. Chai!
If you are a Ghanaian, just start smiling from where you are. Because what you're about to hear now, this news is currently shaking the nation. I will not lie. Not just Ghana, nations. I mean, nations. Oh my God. So the great news that came to my table this evening is that the United Nations commend Ghana as a top troop contributors to peacekeeping. They ranked 6th or 7th worldwide. I mean, this one no be great news. As I see am, I said, make I carry and come for una. Yes, at least this is gonna put a smile on your faces. This call for celebration, isn't it? So just go, get your popcorn and calipo, relax and hear what people have to say about this. Because of course, this news got the attention of so many people, guys. Let's hear what they have to say.
Breaking news. Even the United Nations is clapping for Ghana. Top 6 peacekeepers in the world. Chai! The neighboring countries don't want me to say this. They don't want me to say. They say I should not say it. But I will say it. They have millions of people. Ghana and Rwanda. Only the 2 countries in Africa are contributing top 6 in the world of peacekeepers to United Nations. Is it not when you have peace before you send people to go and keep peace? It is only people that have peace that send people to go and give peace to other countries. I will be leaving soon because they don't want me. They say I should keep it silent. They are doing selective hearing now. They are doing selective hearing. They do as if they are not hearing this news. It is all over.
Hello, my wonderful people. I want you to listen to what the Ghana police said. This is Ghana police. Listen to what he said. I want you to watch and listen to what he said. After that, I have something to say. Watch this video.
Today, I assure you, you cannot bribe the policeman anymore. If you attempt to bribe the policeman, he will disgrace you. He wants promotion. We want to be one of the best police in the world. And we are having that image for which generation upon generations will follow it, so that we'll get our glories back, and then we'll make everybody in Ghana proud.
You hear him? He said no police is going to be asking, we will accept bribe from anybody in their country. You may be saying, they are just saying it. It's true. It's working. When they say it in Ghana, it works. Not in Nigeria. Nigeria police, please learn from Ghana police. I saw Nigerian police carrying POS. If you don't have money, if you don't have cash, they say transfer. If you don't have money, they will give you POS to put your card. I saw it in Nigeria. But it cannot happen in Ghana here. Saying, send me Momo. No. But you see it. Nigerian police, watch this video, share it, so that tag Nigerian police to it. Tag them. Let them hear. Look at how neat.
Sexy officer. Where sexy officer catch me? Officer, I'm a thief. I say I'm a thief. Officer, I'm a thief. Catch me. I'm a thief. Officer, I'm a thief. Officer, I'm a thief. Catch me. Arrest me. I want you to arrest me. Officer, arrest me. Officer, I say arrest me. Okay, Cambodia butunu. Hey, butunu kwa. I see your girlfriend they worry every day. Even my sister, oh, hey, not my girl, my sister be that. Is it my girlfriend? Not my girl, my sister. Okay. Allah, I know you're black.
If you get police officer as a brother, sister in Ghana, you get feather, you dey happy, like they get joy. you they happy, say yes, one of my brother, my sister, na police officer. But for my country, Nigeria, hey, the day when I go hear say any of my person join police for Nigeria, now that day now I go cut them off. Like I go cut the person off. Because you know, guy they be, may you get brother, sister for police officer for my country. You go dey happy. Happy where? Now so cause go dey enter that family. So cause. Because as your brother go duty, come back, na cause go follow and call house. Cause because there is no police where you free. They must take bribe. They must intimidate. But for Ghana, I go dey see say people get police as their brother. They will dey happy. They jump. This cannot happen in my country. This is Ghana police and Nigeria police. Look at the activities. Nigeria police. You see, among of these two police now, who need his country to be better? We don dey talk before. We don still dey talk again. Ghana police, they follow their law according to how it's supposed to be. They think about their people, their self, and their country. Nigeria police, they think about their self, and their pocket. Salary no good. Nobody force you to enter police. Make una no dey disturb people wey they see they even dey manage life. For Nigeria, na manage everybody dey. Okada man wey dey manage, they solve a family problem. Even still dey pay tax from inside the hustle. You dey disturb am, give me money. What do you work for like wey you wan give you money for? SARS in Mat Road, give am money, you see they even give her change. What do you dey do for the people wey go make them pay? Hi, na crime to be a citizen of Nigeria now, abi? Na crime. No wahala. Another special thing about Ghana police. This one, I'm not going to say it according to how it is. Una get abi? I will play this video of Ghana police, how he show love to school children, and I will play you a video of Nigeria police, how they treat keke rider. Make una judge about yourself. This one not be me go judge am. Judge about yourself. This is Ghana police.
Yeah.
Nigeria police.
See, the keke is even broken, sir. Jesus. Ah! Baby! Look at what they're doing to the man.
Understand? This is the activities of Ghana and Nigeria police. I believe you judge Akoros. No, judge Akoros. These two police now, who is doing the job of as a police officer and who is doing the job as a bandit? Because for me, one is bandit, one is police officer. I leave the judgment for you.
Years-old Nigeria girl to climb bed and collect the 11 Pro. The first 2 years old Nigeria girl to climb bed and collect 11 Pro. Is that clear? And that is on period. On the first.
My people, everywhere, good. Nigerians has done it again. So, in this video, a 12-year-old Nigerian Bolabet, a 12-year-old Nigerian Olosho, a 12-year-old Nigerian Mama born regrets. Ladies and gentlemen, according to this 12-year-old girl, that she has set a record in that Bola country, that she is the first girl to knock 2 men at a spot. One inside her toto, and one inside her nyash. iPhone 11 Pro. Ladies and gentlemen, not as if they don't have that record there, because Nigeria is declared as the Olosho country all over the world, or Olosho trainees all over the world. So that record is there. But she is the first. She is the first to knock and collect property. Because the rest, when they knock them, now Indomie and chocolate, they give them. She is the first to knock and collect iPhone 11 Pro. Ladies and gentlemen, and as a next president, as I got the video, I went down the comment section. Ladies and gentlemen, if you see how the polar bears from that Nigeria country were congratulating this girl on the comment section. Some is go girl. Congratulations, my dear. You are there, my dear. You too sick, my dear. And they are men. They are men on the comment section who are from same Bonaparte country and telling her that it is my turn. I'll give you 11 Pro Max. Some are even promising to even iPhone 15 and 16 to have a taste of this young girl. Ladies and gentlemen, it's becoming as if that country support impunity. That Bola country support impunity. Ladies and gentlemen and fellow Ghanaians, what are your take on this particular video? If this young girl could have been a Ghanaian, what will be your comments? Ladies and gentlemen, my name is the Nyash President, and I continue to be the Nyash President all over the world. Anyway, still power to the Nyash. One wo kashay ne kokodu 12 years old girl kashay ne kokodu na ube shia kote kesia ebe pa wutwe ati uturu mu yes ebe pa utotono na pie uturu mu yes noko eye chen